opposite. Okay. What? You put the fuse on the ground?
No, the opposite will do that.
That's fine. That means the thrust is coming from below.
What happened? What happened?
Well, the helicopter that he tried to launch was pointed at the ground. Hilarity ensued.
It launched to the ground. Kablooey. One of those they have.
What do they have?
Watch out, Mac.
The poppers?
Yeah.
Ask Brandon.
What?
Zeke would like to know if he can launch some poppers. And please don't walk through
Bottle rocket?
Cool.
And there it is.
Don't touch it.
there. It's still hot.
Live ordnance.
It's gonna be live. Do not touch it.
I don't know if it explodes. Like,
No, they don't explode. That's actually expended ammo.
Bombs don't explode. The buzz bombs do.
Oh, throw a buzz bomb.
He doesn't throw it, he launches it from the ground.
Launch the buzz bomb.
Launch it! Kraken!
Launch the buzz bomb.
Here it goes.
We will just shout launch the F.
No. There we go.
That was
Hey
loud.
guys, here it goes.
unimpressive.
Is it coming toward us?
Maybe. One will, eventually. In hindsight. That's something sober people probably do.
If I could, I would do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa! They're really fun. Whoa! That was awesome.
Okay, which children
That was awesome.
He'll be all right.
The most dangerous thing in the world.
You naturally want to keep the fire away from you. So, I mean, it's just instinct to keep it away from
Oh, how about that?
you. Over here. Ooh, pretty. He jumped a little. Pretty.